bro.
Put it on me.
Prepping at the doghouse. I'm prepping at the doghouse. Prepping at the doghouse.
Where are we going?
No way, you got a camera. Oh, good.
Let me drop it.
What happened today, boys?
Jimmy Buffett died.
No!
Can't remember last night, my memory is only of you. I drink, but I can't even taste anymore. I taste the blood in my mouth, the taste of you.
What's up?
Never done this shit before. He's a rookie.
And after dark, she asked me if I